Blend image into brand colors, fast and easy. With Retouch for Me Color Match, one-click color grading plugin. When you need to fit a photo into a given color scheme, or you have brand colors to use, make a gradient palette of these colors. Try different sections of the gradient and use it as reference to find the best match. Play with color smoothing. Enjoy perfectly matched images to the palette. You can use any number of colors in the palettes, not only 2. The neural network will match each color in your photo from the palette. All color tones and color transitions are carefully preserved. It's not just toning, it's advanced intelligent color management. Retouch for Me Color Match. Download demo and try now.